Today we're trading cobblestone streets for cactus-studded landscapes as we journey through the heart of the American Southwest, Arizona. From towering red rock formations to the awe-inspiring depths of the Grand Canyon, Arizona is a land of stark beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. Get ready to be amazed by the raw power of nature, discover remnants of ancient civilizations, and experience the warmth of the desert sun on your skin. We'll wander through charming towns, hike to hidden waterfalls, and learn about the fascinating people who call this rugged land home. So pack your sense of adventure, slather on that sunscreen, and join me as we explore the top must-visit spots in Arizona. Get ready for a journey that will leave you breathless. Our first stop takes us to one of the world's most iconic natural wonders, the Grand Canyon. Gazing out over the canyon's vast expanse, it's impossible not to feel a sense of awe and wonder. Imagine, over millions of years, the mighty Colorado River carved this mile-deep chasm, exposing layer upon layer of colorful rock, each telling a story of time and geological change. Take your time to soak in the views from various lookout points along the south rim. Mather Point and Yavapai Point offer those classic panoramic vistas that will leave you speechless. For a more adventurous experience, hike a portion of the Bright Angel Trail, descending into the canyon's depths for a closer look at its raw beauty. Keep an eye out for the California condors soaring overhead, their impressive wingspans casting shadows on the canyon walls. As the sun begins to set, the canyon transforms into a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the rock formations in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left. Remember to pack plenty of water and snacks, as exploring the Grand Canyon is thirsty work. And don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture every angle of this natural masterpiece. Next, we journey to Sedona, a town nestled amidst a breathtaking landscape of towering red rock formations. Imagine yourself surrounded by these majestic monoliths, their sandstone faces glowing vibrant orange and red under the Arizona sun. It's no wonder Sedona is considered a sacred place by many, its energy palpable as you wander through its scenic trails. One of the best ways to experience Sedona's magic is to hike amongst its red rock cathedrals. Popular trails like Devil's Bridge and Cathedral Rock offer stunning views and a chance to connect with nature's grandeur. Don't forget to take a moment for quiet reflection, absorbing the serenity of this unique landscape. Back in town, explore the vibrant art scene. Sedona is a haven for artists and craftspeople, with galleries showcasing everything from Native American pottery and jewelry to contemporary paintings and sculptures. Be sure to pick up a unique souvenir to remember your time in this inspiring place. As the day winds down, treat yourself to a delicious meal at one of Sedona's many restaurants. From southwestern cuisine to international flavors, there's something to satisfy every palate. And don't miss the chance to catch a glimpse of the brilliant stars illuminating the night sky, a sight made even more spectacular by the lack of light pollution. Get ready to step into a classic Western film as we venture into Monument Valley. This iconic landscape, straddling the border of Arizona and Utah, is instantly recognizable with its towering sandstone buttes and mesas rising dramatically from the desert floor. Imagine yourself on a horseback ride through this cinematic landscape, the sound of your horse's hooves echoing through the canyons. The Navajo Nation, who have called this land home for centuries, offer guided tours that provide a deeper understanding of the area's history, culture, and spiritual significance. Be sure to visit during the golden hours of sunrise and sunset, when the light paints the monuments in a breathtaking array of colors. And don't forget your camera. Monument Valley is a photographer's paradise, offering endless opportunities to capture its rugged beauty. As you explore this iconic landscape, take a moment to appreciate the silence and solitude of the desert. Let the immensity of the surroundings wash over you, reminding you of the power and beauty of the natural world. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey into the depths of Antelope Canyon, a slot canyon carved by centuries of wind and water erosion. Imagine yourself walking through a narrow passageway, the sandstone walls towering above you, sculpted into flowing wave-like formations. As sunlight filters through the narrow opening above, it creates an ethereal glow, illuminating the canyon walls in a surreal display of colors. The interplay of light and shadow dances across the sandstone, transforming the canyon into a photographer's dream. Guided tours are available to explore both the upper and lower Antelope Canyons, each offering a unique perspective of this natural wonder. Remember to be respectful of the fragile environment and follow the instructions of your guide. Emerging from the canyon's depths, you'll carry with you the memory of its otherworldly beauty. It's a reminder of the hidden wonders that lie just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered. Our next stop takes us to Lake Powell, a sprawling reservoir nestled amidst the dramatic scenery of southern Utah and northern Arizona. Imagine sparkling blue waters reflecting the towering red rock cliffs, creating a stunning contrast of colors. Rent a houseboat and spend a few days exploring the lake's many hidden coves and canyons. Cast a line for bass or catfish, or simply relax on the deck and soak in the serene beauty of your surroundings. For the adventurous, there are plenty of opportunities for water skiing, wakeboarding, and kayaking. Explore the shoreline and discover hidden beaches perfect for a picnic lunch or a refreshing swim. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky erupts in a fiery display of colors reflecting off the lake's surface. It's the perfect end to a day spent exploring this desert oasis. Tucson, Arizona's second-largest city, offers a vibrant blend of southwestern charm, rich history, and a thriving culinary scene. Imagine strolling through the historic Barrio Viejo neighborhood, admiring the colorful adobe buildings and soaking in the city's unique atmosphere. Explore the Arizona-Sonora Desert Museum, a unique combination of zoo, botanical garden, and natural history museum. Encounter native animals like javelinas and Gila monsters, marvel at the diverse plant life, and learn about the Sonoran Desert's unique ecosystem. For a taste of Tucson's culinary delights, head to the 4th Avenue District, a haven for foodies with its eclectic mix of restaurants and cafes. Sample Sonoran hot dogs, a local delicacy, or indulge in a plate of traditional Mexican food. As the day winds down, catch a show at the historic Rialto Theater, a beautifully restored 1920s vaudeville house that now hosts a variety of musical acts. Tucson offers a taste of the Southwest's cultural richness, making it a must-visit destination in Arizona. Next, we venture to Phoenix, Arizona's bustling capital city, a vibrant metropolis that rises from the heart of the Sonoran Desert. Imagine yourself strolling through the desert botanical garden, marveling at the diverse collection of cacti, succulents, and other desert plants from around the world. For a taste of art and culture, visit the Phoenix Art Museum, home to an impressive collection of contemporary and modern art, or explore the Heard Museum, which showcases the art and culture of Native American tribes of the Southwest. Sports enthusiasts can catch a spring training baseball game or cheer on the Phoenix Suns basketball team, and for those seeking outdoor adventure, hiking trails in South Mountain Park and Camelback Mountain offer breathtaking views of the city and surrounding desert. As the sun sets, Phoenix comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. Enjoy a delicious meal at one of the city's many award-winning restaurants, catch a show in the downtown arts district, or simply relax and soak in the energy of this desert metropolis. Prepare to step back in time as we journey to Petrified Forest National Park, a landscape frozen in time, where ancient trees have been transformed into colorful, crystallized stone. Imagine yourself walking through a forest of stone giants, their massive trunks lying scattered across the desert floor, a testament to the power of geological processes. Learn about the forces that created this unique landscape, as volcanic ash buried a once lush forest, preserving the trees and slowly transforming them into agate, jasper, and quartz. The vibrant colors and intricate patterns within each log are truly mesmerizing. Take a scenic drive along the park's main road, stopping at various viewpoints to admire the petrified logs and the surrounding badlands, a starkly beautiful landscape carved by wind and water erosion. Keep an eye out for wildlife like lizards, prairie dogs, and if you're lucky, a roadrunner darting across the road. As you explore this ancient landscape, let your imagination run wild, picturing the time when dinosaurs roamed this land and these petrified trees were part of a thriving forest. Petrified Forest National Park is a fascinating journey through time, revealing the Earth's incredible ability to transform and preserve. Our next stop takes us to Flagstaff, a charming mountain town that seamlessly blends history, outdoor adventure, and a touch of Route 66 nostalgia. Imagine yourself strolling down the streets of downtown Flagstaff, browsing the unique shops and galleries housed in historic buildings. Step back in time at the Museum of Northern Arizona, which showcases the region's rich cultural and natural history, or visit Lowell Observatory, where Pluto was discovered in 1930. For a taste of the town's vibrant art scene, catch a performance at the historic Orpheum Theater. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to love in Flagstaff. Hit the slopes at Arizona Snow Bowl, one of the state's premier ski resorts, or explore the miles of hiking and biking trails in the surrounding Coconino National Forest. As the sun sets, grab a bite to eat at one of Flagstaff's many restaurants, from cozy pubs to upscale eateries, and soak in the town's laid-back mountain vibe. Whether you're seeking adventure, history, or simply a relaxing escape, Flagstaff has something to offer every traveler. Our final destination takes us to Havasu Falls, a true oasis hidden deep within the Grand Canyon. Imagine turquoise waters cascading over red rock cliffs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of color and motion. This remote paradise is a sacred place for the Havasupai people, who have called this canyon home for centuries. Reaching Havasu Falls requires a 10-mile hike or horseback ride through the canyon, but the reward is well worth the effort. The falls are just one of several stunning waterfalls in the area, each more beautiful than the last. Take a dip in the refreshing waters of Havasu Creek, relax on the sandy beaches, and soak in the tranquility of this secluded paradise. The vibrant blue-green color of the water is due to the high mineral content, creating an otherworldly swimming experience. Spending time at Havasu Falls is a truly unforgettable experience, a chance to connect with nature's raw beauty and appreciate the cultural heritage of the Havasupai people. It's the perfect ending to our Arizona adventure, leaving you with lasting memories of this diverse and awe-inspiring state. Well, friends, we've reached the end of our Arizona adventure. From the awe-inspiring depths of the Grand Canyon to the tranquil beauty of Havasu Falls, Arizona has revealed its many treasures. I hope you've enjoyed this journey through the heart of the Southwest, discovering its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. As you plan your own Arizona adventure, remember to embrace the spirit of exploration. Venture off the beaten path, savor the local flavors, and take the time to appreciate the state's unique beauty. Arizona is a land of endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags, grab your hiking boots, and get